Welcome to Tactical Analyst. We're so excited for you to start using the next generation of CAL FIRE's common operational picture software. Tactical Analyst brings together essential and leading-edge tools to give users a continuously updated overview of an incident from start to finish, while providing real-time situational awareness across every level of incident management, all from one place. So, let's get started. Tactical Analyst has been designed to have a very simple and easy to use interface, allowing users to access the information they need when they need it. With a prominent search bar, pinned incidents, which give users a quick shortcut to selected incidents they are working with in both the app bar and incident list, and quick access to map filters. The app bar helps users find the incident they are working with right away. Core app tools such as the incident list, resource list, weather and risk forecasts, map layers, including state responsibility and direct protection areas, and integration with Esri products and services provides additional capabilities, such as adding session-based map layers through ArcGIS map and feature services. And a host of other tools can be found along the left side of the application, giving users the ability to work with these tools while still having an incident in focus. Tactical Analyst provides a continuously updated global or statewide view of the state's current wildfire incident situation, as well as an incident-centric view, giving users the ability to focus on the specific incident they are working with, all from one interface. This allows for tactical coordination between the incident command post and teams operating in the field using Tactical Analyst Mobile. Information is shared in near real time, meaning everyone can see the same operational picture. Tactical Analyst Mobile works in both connected and disconnected environments, allowing for both auto and manual syncing capabilities. The risk and weather forecast tools, seamlessly integrated with the Wildfire Analyst Enterprise environment, are one of the many predictive and analysis capabilities that allow users to identify potential threats quickly and adjust before they cause problems. These predictive capabilities allow CAL FIRE to assume proactive positioning that streamline operations. Selecting an incident to work with couldn't be easier. The centralized incident list is where users will find a list of all the currently active incidents. Quickly sort or filter the incident list for a user-specific region or unit as needed. With an incident-centric view, Tactical Analyst was built to support the entire life cycle of an incident. This is all done through the incident card. The incident card is where users will work with an incident and collaborate between different incident rooms. Rooms provide users and command the ability to share information between users and groups on the fly, share individual features, or use content groups to share large quantities of content in just a few clicks. On the Incident Details tab, users will find important information about the selected incident they're working with. Full-featured incident mapping is at the core of Tactical Analyst on both web and mobile. In addition to standard mapping tools like drawing a point, line, polygon, or label, Tactical Analyst includes the ability to upload features and brings advanced drawing capabilities and transformations to the web, such as merging and slicing polygons, or tracing along another feature when drawing lines and polygons. With Tactical Analyst Mobile, easily draw features in the field by either digitizing them on the map or using GPS tracing. Choose the feature type and add a label or comments. Once a feature has been synced, view or edit them on the web. Incident mapping is synced between web and mobile so everyone can view the same operational picture. Features can be modified and edited in just a few clicks, allowing users to easily and quickly update them as the situation on the ground changes. A key feature of the room's capability is the chat log. This allows users to share key information and add comments to an incident as information changes. Sharing and viewing photos is a key feature to situational awareness in Tactical Analyst. Add field observations and photos to an incident using Tactical Analyst Mobile. Mobile users can take a photo, add comments, then upload it to the incident they are working with. Photos are visible by other mobile users and those using Tactical Analyst Web. Integration is at the heart of Tactical Analyst, and Alert Wildfire is just one of the many integrated services available. View Alert Wildfire cameras in real time with the ability to save images to a selected incident. Files and documents can be uploaded to an incident and then shared between users and rooms. View incident weather with the Weather tab, or view a variety of integrated weather services, giving users access to crucial weather information for the incident they are working with. Spread predictions for an incident are viewable due to seamless integration with the Wildfire Analyst Enterprise environment. View both building and population impacts of a spread prediction. Or upload other prediction outputs, such as exposure and smoke modeling, in conjunction with the impact tool to gain better insight in potential building and population impacts for an incident. All of this happens in one place. Welcome to Tactical Analyst.